Hello dear friends, this is the Apple Fruit channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to read the blurred text which was blurred with a red marker. On a black background the text is smudged with a red marker. I used it to make a video on how to read text smudged with a black marker. Here will be a hint. So how do we see the text? To do that, we need to the Snapseed app. You can get it for both iOS and Android. It is absolutely free. Come here. Here we click on Add a photo. Add the photo we want. Here click Settings and click Tune Image and open these settings. This is a simple photo editor. Then you set all the parameters like I did.
When I'm with you, yeah, I know everything will be alright. It don't matter what we say, it don't matter how we make things right. Cause when I'm with you, yeah, I know everything will be alright. When I'm with you.
Now we save our picture, and you can see that the text is already visible. You can read all the letters. That is such a simple and great way. Like this and subscribe to the channel. That was the Apple Fruit channel. Bye bye.